When I brought home my first puppy, I had a specific picture in my head of lazy mornings, long walks, and a little shadow following me everywhere. What I got instead was a tiny creature with razor-sharp teeth who treated my hands like a chew toy every single time. The worst part was that the internet gave me advice that actually made it worse. Today, I am going to walk you through everything I have learned, not just techniques, but the psychology behind why puppies bite, how their brains work, and the exact step-by-step process that transforms a bitey puppy into a gentle companion without yelling, punishment, or mixed signals. Your puppy was not born knowing your rules. Just 2 weeks ago, he was wrestling with his litter mates, which was his whole world, where biting was how you played, learned boundaries, and communicated. Now he is in your home, where everything smells different. The people are giants, and when he tries to play, the only way he knows how, he faces yelling and confusion. He is not being stubborn or aggressive. He is just being a puppy. When you understand this, you stop reacting with frustration and start responding with patience. Puppies bite for 3 main reasons. First is exploration, as a puppy's mouth is like our hands, and they use it to investigate interesting things like your fingers or sleeves. Second is teething, which happens between 12 weeks and 6 months. Chewing relieves the painful pressure of 28 teeth pushing through their gums. Third is overstimulation and overtiredness. When a puppy has been awake too long and plays too hard, they lose their off switch, and the biting ramps up because they are exhausted and do not know how to settle down. Before starting, you need the right tools. First, get a variety of appropriate chew toys, like a rubber Kong, a rope toy, a frozen teething ring, and a bully stick holder, so your puppy has options for his changing mouth. Second, use a playpen or a puppy-proofed area as a management tool to keep him safe and prevent bad habits when you cannot supervise him. Third, prepare high-value treats that he goes crazy for, like boiled chicken or freeze-dried liver, to compete with the reward of biting. Finally, bring plenty of patience, because a calm owner creates a calm puppy. The still hand method is your foundation technique. When your puppy puts teeth on your skin, make your hand go completely still, like a boring object, without jerking away, squealing, or yelling. Count to 3 in your head, and then use your other hand to present a chew toy right next to his mouth, wiggling it to make it interesting. The moment he releases your hand and grabs the toy, give him big praise and gentle pets. This teaches him that biting your hand makes the game stop, while biting the toy makes the fun continue. You will have to repeat this dozens of times, which is completely normal. Once your puppy understands this, you can level up with the redirection game. Sit on the floor with 3 different toys within reach. When he comes toward your hand, immediately toss one toy a few feet away so he chases and grabs it, then praise him. When he comes back, toss a different toy in another direction. This builds impulse control and teaches him to look for a toy whenever he feels the urge to bite. Play this game for 5 minutes, 2 or 3 times a day, and always end on a winning, calm note. If your puppy gets overstimulated and goes into shark mode, use a calm timeout. Stand up calmly, pick him up or guide him by his collar to his playpen or a puppy-proof bathroom, and leave him inside with a chew toy and a treat. Close the door, set a timer for 30 to 60 seconds, and then let him out if he is calm. If he immediately bites again, repeat the process. Crucially, never use his regular crate for timeouts, because the crate must always remain a safe, comfortable space associated with sleep, not punishment. Most biting problems are actually environment management problems. To fix the environment, set up a dedicated puppy zone using a playpen in your main living area, equipped with a bed, water, toys, and a frozen Kong for times when you cannot actively supervise. You should also use a house line, which is a light 6-foot leash dragging behind him, allowing you to calmly guide him away from forbidden items without starting a game of chase. Additionally, use tether training by clipping the leash to your belt while watching TV so he learns to settle at your feet for a reward. A bite-proof day follows a structured rhythm. In the morning, follow a potty break with 10 minutes of calm handling, touching his paws and mouth while rewarding him with treats. Feed him breakfast in a puzzle toy or frozen Kong to tire him out mentally. Mid-morning should include a short 15 to 20 minute play session, followed by an enforced nap, keeping in mind that young puppies need 18 to 20 hours of sleep a day. Keep afternoon training sessions under 5 minutes. Use evenings for calm socialization with guests, and finish the night with quiet chew time in the pen before bedtime. If the biting continues, check your consistency to ensure all family members are following the same rules. Ensure your puppy is getting enough sleep, as sleep deprivation causes most behavior problems. Keep your expectations realistic, since teething peaks around 14 to 16 weeks, meaning progress is the goal rather than instant perfection. Keep training sessions short and watch my companion video on the 5 biggest training mistakes owners make, which links directly to this guide. To get started today, pick just one technique, like the still hand method, and try it for 24 hours. If this helped you, subscribe and turn on notifications suggestions for weekly practical training videos. Drop a comment below sharing the funniest thing your puppy always tries to chew, and make sure to watch my next video on the 5 common dog training mistakes. Remember, calm owner, calm dog.